Hello guys, this is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are back here with Forex Trading Plan 2022 March the 29th, right? Okay, so yes, coming to the end of the March, right? So yeah, what are we going to do with our trading, right? Hi Hubert, Mika, Jerome, all right, all right, okay, Jerome, all right, and also Riano, Roger, okay, Jerome, all right. If you are new here, remember to click on the subscribe button, all right, and also give me a like, and remember to ring up the bell so that I get the notification whenever I go live, all right. Okay, so yes, today. Yes, Trina 你好 Aiden, Bradley, สวัสดีครับ168 and Fab. Alright, all of you, wow. Okay, 你们都好 Okay, so yes, alright. And I'm moving into giving this today this session. Alright. Yesterday, I think we didn't we managed to capture a pound dollar. Am I right? Okay. So pound dollar, euro dollar, all right. Okay, so I think that's pretty good. Pound, all the many of the pound, huh? Okay. Yes, that's good. That's good. Okay. So yeah. So next to go, all right. Next to go over here is that we are going to take a look. Okay, what's going to happen today? What's going on? Is there anything that we are going to focus that actually can give us more? All right, profitable day. All right, I don't ask for more profits, but I will just okay. I will just wanted to maintain the consistency there. Okay, hoping that I can get the consistency and also giving myself this chance that I can continue to grow in the market. All right. Okay. So yes, let's move. Okay. Aussie CAD. All right. Aussie CAD. Yes. So let's take a look at Aussie CAD first. All right. Aussie CAD, we are actually still moving into the bull and into the bear zone. Fantastic. All right. So like I said yesterday, we're in the bear zone and moving into it. So today looks good. Okay. Looks like it's coming down. Okay. So with this signal over here is becoming a bear. So right, so it's becoming a bear. So over here, becoming a bear, then what we are going to take a look is there a chance for us to continue the selling? Okay, will there be a chance for us to continue the selling? All right. Okay, so let's see. Aussie CAD today, I'm looking at it. This is the transition area. Okay, this is the transition area, whereby this transition area, okay, we are looking at this part here, where now is actually heading down for a selling. Okay, we have a resistance here. Okay, and we have the support has been break. So this support has been tested and break with a rejection candle over here. As you can see, this green color rejection candle. So it's actually forming a resistance. Okay, previous support has become a resistance right now. Okay, it has been tested for a few rounds, and now it has become a resistance. Okay, so looks good. Okay, pretty good. So tentatively by looking at this, okay, I'm looking for a selling. Wow, that's the very nice one. So fantastic. Okay, so today, all right, we have this Aussie CAD moving for a selling. Okay, so we wanted to go for a sell. So I'm going to go for a sell today in Aussie CAD. Okay, looking at the space availability over here. Hey, what's wrong, man? Okay. Okay, now. Okay, so right here, I have about 20 pips from the current price. Okay, so let's I will, for this case, okay, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to wait. Okay, I'm going to wait. Okay, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to wait for this, okay, Aussie CAD to retrace upwards, okay, to retrace upwards. Then from here, okay, this is only about 6-7 pips. So I'm going to wait for Aussie CAD to retrace upwards to test on the resistance. If it's not breaking, then I will want to go for a selling. Okay, then I'm going to go for a selling. All right. So yep, that's I think pretty good. Okay, so right now, okay, so I would say that we are actually pretty near to the resistance. So just hang on. I'll just wait for it to test on the resistance before I start selling. It's exactly the same scenario like yesterday, euro dollar. All right. Okay. Yes, Roger, correct. So let's wait for it. Okay. So I'm going to put Aussie CAD into my list, into my watch list. Okay. All right. All right. So Aussie CAD. All right, Aussie franc. How about Aussie franc? Aussie franc, yes, we are in the bear zone now. Okay, so this zone, I won't be doing any trading because tentatively it doesn't look safe to me. Okay, so it's neither safe for buying as well, so I'm not going to touch this in any case. All right, so just leave this alone. All right, so okay, so let's move again in Aussie yen. Aussie yen. All right. Aussie yen over here. Aussie yen, we are still looking for more. Okay. And yeah, looks like it's going up furthermore. So tentatively by looking at this, okay, Aussie yen, I would say that they're coming for a resistance right here. Okay, we have a resistance up here. Okay, so over here, yes, another support. Okay, I think, yep. Okay, so estimated, huh? It should be here. So now coming over here, by looking at this, okay, so right now, Aussie yen, I won't be doing any selling today. Okay, although this is a retracement, but right now, why am I not going to do any selling in the retracement trading? Is because, okay, it's because it is on the support now. Okay, it is on the support now. Okay, so I'm not going to put Aussie yen into my list as well. All right. Okay, so how about Aussie Kiwi? Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi, exceed the expectation from yesterday, and now it's breaking through, coming back to retest on the bear zone. So it may retrace. Okay, it may retrace for a while, and this may also be 24 pips of space that we're going to continue the buy. It is actually building up. It is actually building up the higher support. Okay, so tentatively, no, I'm not going to do anything to it. All right. Okay, so just skip this. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, right? How about Aussie dollar? Aussie dollar looks good when it actually tested on the bear zone. Okay, yesterday it has been it went up and tested on the bear zone and now coming back for a selling. Okay, this is I would say that I would say that this is actually uh, quite close to into the bear market. However, it is not into the bear market right now, not yet. Okay, so let's wait for it to retest it. Okay, because once it actually it tested the bear zone and it started to retrace downward, but it hits on the support, immediately it start to rebound. Okay, so in this case, I won't be selling at the moment. Okay, so I'm still looking out for a higher resistance. Okay, before I have a chance to sell. Okay, so tentatively is even there's a chance to sell. I think that is only a one good chance that is going to give me, and if I missed it, it will be gone. Okay, so I'm not going to take this kind of risk. Okay, all right. So buyers, yes, I would say probably buying is much more advantageous. Okay, I would say that. All right. So tentatively Aussie dollar, I won't be taking any action for that. All right. Okay. Hi, CK, 你好. All right. So over here, let's see. Okay. Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie over here. We are into the bull, all right. And now, yesterday, it has actually retraced upwards and now continue open up into the bull market, right? It's into the bull zone and open up to move in the bull trend. Okay, it looks quite threatening, but okay, it is still in the transition to become a bull. Okay, before it start the bullish run. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this, okay, I'm going to wait for it to I'm going to wait for it because right now it's actually in the transition zone. So tentatively there may be still some chance to sell. However, it's very risky. Okay, so don't take this kind of chance because we are right at the bull zone. Okay, so I'm going to give this a miss as well. All right. Okay, EURJPY today we are setting up a support in in the in the bull zone here. So tentatively by looking at this here, this is not very ideal for a selling. Okay, so I'm going to give this a miss as well. Okay, so EURJPY I'm not going to chase after this trade. So this is not very ideal. So most likely I think it will start to retrace upwards. Okay, all right. So it's at the border. Okay, so I don't really like this kind of chart, this kind of zone to trade. All right, so I'm going to give this a miss. Euro pound, so same thing because of the situation now, I'm going to give this a miss. All right, how about euro yen? Euro yen, same thing, exceeding the expectation from the bear zone and now continue to go for a bull. All right, so today retracing downwards. Okay, the retracement over here has meet up with a support. So now the current support is here and the resistance is up here. So as you can see, it came down and go up again, correct? So now hitting on the support. And now building up the support, continue the selling. Okay, well, this is a transition over here, but looking at this part here, this is not really very ideal yet, huh? Okay, I'm going to take a look. I'm going to see that euro yen, if I'm going to sell, okay, if I'm going to sell, right, I'm going to sell most likely, very likely, I'm going to sell at the price of after it breaks the support. Okay, after it breaks the support. Okay, reason behind is that, let me take a look. Okay, all right. Okay, so very likely over here like this. Okay, let me see. It's actually moving in this form. Okay, this form here. Okay, so let's see. There's a. I'm going to shift this. Okay, I'm going to shift this up here. All right. I'm going to shift this up here. Okay, by looking at this now, okay, if I'm going to look at this point, whereby this is exactly one area of resistance that we should be paying attention to. Okay, so take a look. Right now, it should be into the bear zone here. Now, this bear zone, it is still inside. Okay, so it's still in the turbulence area where I want to sell, but it's not really the ideal. So by breaking the support here will be much better. Okay, this is what I want to see. All right, so I'm waiting for it to break the support. Okay, before I start to buy. Okay. All right, so tentatively by looking at this point, oh, I'm sorry, it's here. Okay, yep. So euro yen, we do have a chance to sell, but make sure it breaks the support. It must break the support because this area is the bear zone, so that when it breaks the support below, it is actually heading down to another next support area. Okay, which I'm looking at here. Okay, this area. Okay, yep. Okay, so around this area, so you have 70 pips to go. Okay, so euro yen, tentatively by looking at the moment right now, okay, euro yen, okay, it must break the support. Okay, it must break the support. Okay, before I start selling. Okay, so euro yen, okay, euro yen, I'm going to put this into my watch list. Okay, so how about Euro Kiwi? Euro Kiwi. Okay, Euro Kiwi. Euro Kiwi, we are yesterday we have a retracement back. Okay, but after, like I say, it must break the support. Correct, it must break the support. However, it didn't break the support yesterday. It went up. Correct. Okay, so today will there be any chance of selling? Let's take a look. Okay, today I won't be looking for selling as well, because looking at this Euro Kiwi, it seems like the support is quite strong. Okay, and now this support has been tested and it failed. So let's wait for it to meet up with another resistance. Okay, to see the next resistance, will it be better for us to continue the selling? Okay, all right. So I don't think today I'm going to focus on this Euro Kiwi. All right, Euro Kiwi, I'm going to give this a miss today. All right. Okay, so how about Euro Dollar? Euro Dollar, we are still in the bear trend. Okay, that's good. That's still pretty good. All right. So in this bear trend over here, as you can see, now it's still respecting the resistance. Okay, and let's check over here. We are still in the bear market. Bear market looking out for a selling, since now we are meeting up with this is the resistance. Okay, this is pretty high up. So there's a support here. Okay, as you can see, the support area is here. Okay, so now this support area is here, has been tested for so many rounds, and we are still away from about the support about 30 pips. 30 pips of space. Okay, so 30 pips of space. Once this has been but as you can see over here. All right, let's take a look here. In H1 yesterday has been testing on the support. It's not breaking, and it went up to this level. As you must understand the movement. Okay, don't just read the chart blindly. Okay, all right. So over here, when we talk about support and resistance, it doesn't mean that, okay, red, green, okay, is support. Okay, green, red is another resistance. Okay, support become resistance. No. We are not going to do that. Okay, we have to read the chart according to the movement, right? So when you see this part here, this is a support, and it moves up, and it tested a few rounds, even with a higher support, and you take a look. The size of the candle is getting smaller and lesser volume onto the resistance. This shows something. This shows the resistance is very strong. Okay, this resistance is strong, so we can have a chance to sell for Euro Dollar today. Okay, Euro Dollar, we may get a chance to sell. Okay, so over here, by looking at this, okay, I'm going to put Euro Dollar into my list. Right, with a lower resistance created in the H1. Okay, then or in over here in M5. Okay, so when a lower resistance, okay, like now this one, this is the area of resistance. Okay, this is the area of resistance. So Euro Dollar may be testing on this resistance to continue the selling. Okay, so Euro Dollar. Okay, so Euro Dollar may be giving us a good chance to sell again. All right, so Euro Dollar, we are having we are going for about 30 pips of space. That's good. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this, but be careful of the support, the minor support over here. Okay, so Euro Dollar. All right. Okay, Euro Dollar, I'm going to take this into my watch list. Okay, so how about now Pound Aussie tested on the support level, and now building up the support. Okay, so looks like it's going to continue the selling. Correct. Okay, continue the selling. Maybe. All right. I would say maybe, because I would say that today the support is actually pretty strong, and right now, okay, with the moving of these prices in Pound Aussie, I don't see any opportunity to sell, because it's going into the retracement period right now. Okay, it's in the retracement period. Okay, so I'm going to give this a miss as well. Right, Pound CAD. How about Pound CAD? AUDCAD. AUDCAD, we still have a good and reasonable space to sell. Support is still remaining the same, I guess. Okay, so how about, let's see. Okay, so over here, do we have a chance to sell for AUDCAD? Okay, resistance is still remaining. Okay, still maintaining the same resistance here. Okay, so over here, I would say that the AUDCAD, probably if we want to sell, we have to be patient. Okay, we have to be patient. So tentatively, by looking at this AUDCAD, selling is possible. Selling is possible, yes. Okay, so selling is very possible over here. So right now is we are only left with about 9 pips to 10, 9 to 10 pips to hit on the support and to break. Okay, I'm looking for Aussie, no, sorry, AUDCAD. First, either it breaks a support with a new resistance below, okay, then we start selling. If not, you have to wait for it to retest the resistance up here, then we will have a chance to sell within this resistant area of 50 pips. Okay, so for this instance, I will see that the retracement may be good. Okay, I will see. In this case, the retracement, if there's a retracement to test on the resistance, if it's not breaking, then that will be a better one. Okay. All right. So AUDCAD, I'm going to give this a miss as well because I think it's so near. Anyway, there's not much of a chance for us to sell in this session. Okay. Pound franc. Okay. Pound franc. Right, pound franc now actually is still going on the bear. Yesterday I was saying that, okay, pound franc we need to be a bit careful. Okay, we need to be a bit careful of the candle movement. Who knows, yesterday it gives a very good selling, and today we are back into the bear zone. All right, so bear zone over here, let's see. We have now we are actually on the support tested, and the support is very near. And if we are going to sell pound franc, okay, I would suggest that in this pound franc, okay, very likely I will want to wait for it to break the support. Okay, break the support here. Then with a new resistance below, okay, then I start selling. If not, then it will go up and test the resistance. Then we will find a chance to enter for a trade for another 25 pips of space. Okay, all right. So pound franc, we must break the support. Okay, pound franc is something that we must break the support. Okay, pound franc. Okay, must break the support with a new resistance below. Okay, yes. Okay, how about pound yen? Pound yen. Yes, pound yen today looks good. Okay, pound yen looks good, right? So pound yen is in the transition. Okay, so in this transition, it's I would say it's actually building up a higher support. It's in the bear zone, a lot of turbulence area. Remember, okay. So I won't see that any opportunity right now. Okay, so I'm going to give this a miss also. So for pound yen, I'm going to give a miss later on, maybe the second half of the day. Okay, when it break down, okay, this support, there's a support area here. Get out of the bull zone, then probably there will be a better choice. Okay, so yeah, so that's for pound yen. Pound yen, just be patient. Okay, I think have to be patient. All right. Okay, let's move again. And pound kiwi. Let's take a look at pound kiwi. Pound kiwi, all right. Pound kiwi, definitely I won't be selling today. No selling for pound kiwi today. We have tested 4 days of support area. The support area here. Okay. This support is too strong. We have tested for 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5 good days. Okay, so 5 good days of testing is not breaking. So since that's the case, then let's give this a miss. Okay, we don't take risks into such a turmoil situation over here. Okay, All right, so pound dollar. So ever since it come back for the bear, now we are still in the bear market. Let's see where's the support area. Okay, support. Right, we are on the support right now. The support has been tested. So this support has been tested, and I very obvious that what I'm going to do is that I want it to break. We must break. We must break the support. Okay, I'm after it breaks the support, we'll have a good space, okay, so that the support can become a resistance over in this area. Okay, this area of support has been tested, okay, tested and break, correct? Okay, so it has been tested and break. It will become a resistance. So right now, okay, this is we will say that this is actually more on the resistance. We have a good space about 40 to 50 pips to sell for pound dollar. Okay, so let's take a look at with this, and hopefully it's I don't think it's actually breaking. So very likely we have a good chance to break this first. Okay, then after that it will start going down. Okay, so pound dollar is another good one that we should pay attention to. Pound dollar, by looking at this, creating a now it's actually creating a higher lower high and a lower high coming soon. Okay, so pound dollar, all right, pound dollar is good, all right. Okay, pound dollar is good to sell, right? Pound dollar is good to sell, huh? Okay, so let's move again. Okay, dollar CAD. Let's see. Dollar CAD, we are having a support now. Okay, yesterday it's on the support and tested, not breaking. Today it looks like it's having a going for a buy. It's at the verge. I would say not really. Okay, not really. Okay, so still under control. Okay, we are still under control, but now let's take a look at the resistance first. Okay, so this is the sign of a rejection here. We have a resistance up here, and here, here. Okay, now here. Okay, all right. So the support is here. Okay, so over here. So the retracement today over here. Okay, so this part of a retracement, this is actually going to be a retracement trading. So I'm going to give this a miss as well. Dollar CAD is anti the trend. So going for a buy, not necessary yet. Going for a sell is not very ideal also. Okay, so today is actually a retracement day for dollar CAD, huh? So I'm not going to sell. Okay, all right, let's skip and let's go back to dollar franc. Dollar franc, yes, dollar franc. Okay, dollar franc is something that I want all of you to pay attention to. A selling candle. Okay, now a buying. Okay, so with this kind of candle, all right, this is a candle that we have to pay attention to. So it's a big buying candle, and today it has a gap up. Yesterday has a gap up candle. So a gap up candle, and now volume exceeded, erased all the prices yesterday, the day before, and today it looks like it's going for a bull run. Okay, such a formation candle over here, it actually gives a signal of a bull run. Okay, the starting of a bull run. Okay, so please be very, very careful with this. Okay, so no for selling, but buyers can take a look. Buyers, okay, so dollar franc is for you. Okay, all right, so how about dollar yen? Dollar yen, we are still hovering around the bear zone as well. Inside the bear zone, having a support. So I will say that probably, okay, buying is still highly possible. Buying is still highly possible for dollar yen. Okay, we still have about 70 pips to go, so buyers can continue because as you can see over here, it's all respecting the support level. Okay, and now it's creating another higher support. So it's a very good signal that it's actually continue the buying. Huh? Okay, all right. So no for dollar yen. Huh? Okay, so how about this? Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Congratulations, Roger. Congratulations, Riano. Yes, we have successfully hit on the 48. 48. Yes. Very happy. Yes. Okay. So this is great. Okay. This is good. Okay. So well, Riano. Okay. This is a fantastic bull run in the Bitcoin I ever had before. Yes, that's a good thing. Okay, so now the target here has been hit on the 48, so please be careful. All right, be careful. Okay, so the 48 mark, has reached. So tentatively, by looking at this right now, okay, we still have plenty of turbulence in this area. So keep your profit first, okay, before we enter for another buying trade. Okay, all right, okay. So this one I think is good. Okay, I think this is good. I think we have to wait for a little while. Okay, I would say that this is actually more than good, more than good. Okay, I would say, I would say this is more than good. Okay, so I guess this is still nice to go for, but not today, and maybe not this few days, because we have to pay attention. Okay, yeah, okay. So that is actually a good one. Okay, we can actually monitor for the next few days before we actually take action. Okay, all right. Okay, so yep. Okay, so I guess that's about all today. Okay, let me sum it up. Okay, what do we have here? Hey. All right, Aiden, you got $1,700 from Bitcoin. Okay, I think it's from Bitcoin, Okay, yes. I think congratulations. Okay, all right. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, so now what we have? We have Aussie CAD, Euro Yen, Euro Dollar, Pound Franc, Pound Dollar. Okay, all right. So I will say that this is that's all for today. Okay, then I'm going to actually say that we have a good chance. We really have good chance today to grab quite a fair bit of profit. Okay, I think this is nice. Okay, so I will say that my focus, I will see that is pound dollar. Oh, pound dollar, pound dollar, and euro dollar, euro dollar. Okay. Oh, euro dollar, euro dollar. Pound dollar, pound dollar, euro dollar, euro dollar. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I wish good luck to you. Okay, good luck in your trading, and also plentiful of profits. All right. See you again tomorrow. This is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you again. Good luck.